Hey, stay in the front, but hold on real good and try not to roll him. Yeah. Is it going now? En Costa Rica! Oh, this is not good. This is a story. This is a story of a child who's about to get a ride from his father through the ghostly forest around Halloween. Oh, there they go. This is not good. Oh, this is not good. Oh, the father is trying to do a wheelie. Okay, not good. Not good. It is very, very horrible what is about to transpire here. This close to Halloween and through the haunted woods goes Jason and his father. And oh my, he's picking speed up. My God, he looks like a dirty swamp monster. Okay, now here they come. Okay. Okay, this is not good. This is gonna get ugly here. I think that it's gonna roll over. Yep, here it goes. Here, look at it. I'm trying to get Dan to do a wheelie. I really want him to do a wheelie. Okay. Oh, he's doing a serious sick wheelie. Now he's doing a wheelie. Dan is laughing his butt off. I don't see him laugh that much, and it's fun when he does. Now Jason, who is 60% DEET, well, that's a long story. During the summer of 2003, we sprayed insecticide all over him to get the mosquitoes down, but it contained DEET, known to cause retardedness, and I'm afraid he was 60%. He was found to have 60% DEET in him. Okay, I'm going to hand this camera back to someone who was exposed with the DEET. Right here he is. His name is Jason. He was exposed to 60% DEET.